Welcome to this video from the Carleton University Library on finding journal articles in the Sociological Abstracts database. We will start on the library's homepage at www.library.carleton.ca. To get to the database Sociological Abstracts, click on Databases located underneath the main search field. On this page you can see that there are a number of ways to find databases, including clicking on the databases by subject or databases by type links, or by using the alphabet at the top. Let's use the alphabet and click on S for sociological, and then scroll down the page to Sociological Abstracts. Here we will click on the Details link. On this page you can see that the database provides citations with abstracts to articles, books, and other written materials on sociology, social planning, and policy. Some materials are available in full text, but others are not. These other materials may need to be accessed via Interlibrary Loans. Now let's click on the hyperlink Sociological Abstracts that appears after Connect towards the top of the page. Remember that if you are off campus, you will be prompted to log in with your Carleton credentials. This database automatically opens to the Advanced Search option. The Advanced Search allows you to enter multiple search terms for one search. It also allows you to narrow the scope of your search by setting certain limits, such as limiting your results to peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed means that the journal or article has been evaluated and critiqued by researchers and experts in the same field as the author before the article is published. Now let's do a search. We'll go to the right-hand side of the page. If you look at the drop-down menus next to each search box, you will notice that each one says Anywhere but Full Text as the default option. This means that the database is searching your words or search terms in different parts of the documents, such as the title and the abstract. Here you can see that you can search in one field or anywhere or all fields. Library databases keep different types of information for each article, book, etc. For example, the author, the subjects, and the publication name, such as journal title. All this information is recorded in different fields or categories. When you choose the default option, Anywhere except Full Text, the database will search across all fields, so let's leave the field choice as it is. Let's say you want to do a search for articles about Canadian sociology. We'll put this search term in the first search box. Notice that we put these two words, Canadian sociology, in quotation marks. This is called phrase searching, and we use the quotation marks because we are looking for words in a specific order. Then underneath the search fields, we'll choose the peer-reviewed option and click it. And then we will click on Search in the blue box in the right-hand corner of the screen. At the top of the list of results, on the left-hand side of the page, notice that the database has found over 2,000 scholarly academic journal articles, and that these articles are arranged by relevance to your search terms. Let's look at the first result. We can see that this result contains the information that you will need to cite the article in your bibliography or reference list, including the title of the article, the author, the title of the journal, the issue, the publication year, and the page numbers. Now let's click on the hyperlink title for this article. On this page, we can see a block of text called the abstract. You should read the abstract of an article you're interested in, because this description or summary will usually let you know if the article will be useful to the topic you're researching. If you'd like to save information about the article, you can go to the top right-hand corner of the page and click on the blue button labeled Email. This option allows you to email the citation information as well as a link to the article to yourself or anyone else. The cite function, which is also in the top right-hand corner of the page, is also useful. When you click on this option, the cite function generates the first draft of a citation in the style that you prefer. Make sure you always proofread any citation that is machine generated, as there might be mistakes that need to be corrected. How do you get the full text of the article? In this case, we will go to the right-hand side of the page and click on the Get It button. This takes us to the library record, and we can see that the article is available through several databases. Let's click on the third link to Scholars Portal Journals Wiley Current. This takes us to a page where we can read the abstract and click on a link to the downloadable PDF. What happens if you can't access the full text version of an article? If you can't access a full text version of an article through the library record will suggest that you order a copy through Interlibrary Loan. To order an article through Interlibrary Loans, you will need an Interlibrary Loans account. If you don't have an account, go to the library homepage and underneath the Services column, click on the link to Interlibrary Loans. On this page, you can click on the link to First Time User on the left-hand side of the page and fill in the form to set up your Interlibrary Loans account. This is the end of this video.